નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આપનું સ્વાગત છે અમારી યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં. આજે આપણે વાત કરીશું સીસી 609 વિષયના મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ MCQs, જેનું યુનિટ 1 એટલે કે ફર્સ્ટ ચેપ્ટર છે. એના ક્વેશ્ચન જોઈશું જે HNG ઓનલાઈન એક્ઝામ માટે ખૂબ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. તો પહેલો ક્વેશ્ચન છે, અકોર્ડિંગ ટુ ધ બ્લેન્ક ડિક્શનરી, biography is the history of the lives of individual men as branch of literature. તો એનો સાચો જવાબ છે અકોર્ડિંગ ટુ ઓક્સફર્ડ ડિક્શનરી. બીજો ક્વેશ્ચન છે, who first used the term biography? So the correct answer is John Dryden. John Dryden used the term biography. Next question, according to the ખાલી જગ્યા, the history of particular man's lives. So according to John Dryden, the history of particular man lives. Next question જોઈએ. Blank says the most obvious cause of work of art is its creator, the author, and hence literature is explained in terms of personality and the life of the writer. તો આવું કોણે કહ્યું? તો રેન વેલેક. મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન. Next question જોઈએ. Blank says history is the essence of the countless biography. So biography is an ancient literary genre chronologically and logically. It is a part of historiography. So the correct answer is Carlyle. So Carlyle says. Next question જોઈએ. Question number 6. The work of biographer resemble to means the work of biographer. જે બાયોગ્રાફી લખતા હોય એમનું કામ કોને મળતું આવે છે? તો એ હિસ્ટોરિયન, ઇતિહાસકારને મળતું આવે છે. નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન જોઈએ. વર્ડ્સવર્થ પ્રેલ્યુડ ઇઝ, તો એનો કયો પ્રકારનો ફોર્મ છે? ઇઝ એન ઓટોબાયોગ્રાફી. સો ઓટોબાયોગ્રાફિકલ પોયમ ઇન બ્લેન્ક વર્સ. સો this is the work or biography of the William Wordsworth. Okay, just remember prelude. Okay, prelude is written by Wordsworth and it is an autobiography. The genre of prelude is an autobiography and it is also written in blank verse. Let's see next question. How many types of poets are there? So there are two types of poet, the objective and the subjective. The objective and the subjective. Next question. Keats and T.S. Eliot are blank poet. So Keats and Eliot are objective poet. Which type of poet? Objective. This is most important question. The objective poets insist upon means objective poet હતા એ શાના પર ભાર મૂકતા હતા? તો negative capability. Insist upon negative capability. And more important thing, તમે હજુ સુધી અમારી ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ ના કરી હોય તો ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરી લેજો. તેમજ સેમેસ્ટર 6ના BA ઇંગ્લિશના જે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન છે ઓલરેડી અપલોડ થઈ ચૂક્યા છે, જેની લિંક તમામની ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં આપેલ છે. તો તમે ત્યાં ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં લિંક પર જઈ ક્લિક કરી વિડીયોઝ જોઈ શકો છો. નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન જોઈએ. 11મા નંબરનો ક્વેશ્ચન. બ્લેન્ક poet aims at displaying his personality, wants to confess, to express himself. So the correct answer is the subjective. So the subjective poet aims at displaying his personality, wants to confess and to express himself. Next question. Blank means the psychological study of the writer, study of creative process and effect literature upon its readers. So the psychology of literature means. Okay, next question. According to blank, the artist is an obdurate neurotic. So the answer is Sigmund Freud. According to Sigmund Freud, the artist is an obdurate neurotic. Next question. According to whom the poet recapitulates or perceives enact his strata of the race history. So according to T.S. Eliot. Next question. Future classes society. Classless society was the vision of whom? So it was the vision of Karl Marx, who has written the treatise Das Kapital. Future classless society, okay, was the vision of Karl Marx. So question can be asked like that. What was the vision of Karl Marx? So the answer would be future classless society. Next question. Which are the three terms of criticism introduced by Taine? So the correct answer is race, movement, and milieu. Race, movement, and milieu. Next question. Race means a national character. A race means national character. So who introduced Taine? Race means a national character. Let's see next question. Movement means different times and setting. Next question. Milieu means it is mean that general cultural, political, social, and economical climate of a particular society. Okay, general cultural, political, social, and economical climate of particular society is. So the answer would be milieu. This type of question can be asked. Next chapter, unit 2. Which other arts are related to literature? So other arts, painting, music, and sculpture. These are the arts which is related to literature. Let's see next question. Blank drew some of his description from tapestries. So the correct answer is Spencer drew. Next question. Kids Kids derived detail of his ode on a Grecian on from a picture of Clado Lerin. Clado Lerin is the correct answer. Next question. Blank said, poetry is a speaking picture and painting is a mute poetry. Who said? So it is said by Petrarch. It is said by Petrarch. Next question. Romans used to call a poet as a wits, a prophet, or a seer. So who calls? So Romans used to call a poet as a wits, a prophet, or a seer. Let's see next question. Greek called the creator. Means Romans used to call poet as a wits, a prophet, or a seer. On the contrary, Greeks called poet as the creator. Next question. Blank. The great first critic of Greek. So Plato was the first great critic of Greek. Next question. Blank was the greatest opponent of art for art's sake. So the correct answer is Plato. Okay. Plato was the greatest opponent of arts for art's sake. Most important question. Next question. Blank called the poet alight and wingle and scal things. So the correct answer is Plato. Kindly focus on these lines because these are the really most important questions. Okay. Next question. Who was confused between art and morality? This is also most important question. So who was confused between art and morality? So the poet and philosopher Plato. Okay. Plato was confused. Next question. Question number 10. Blank was the disciple of Plato. So who was the disciple of Plato? Aristotle. Most important question. Kindly note this question. Next question. Question number 11. An apology for poetry or the defense of poesy. Apology for poetry or defense of poesy, which is written by Philip Sidney. Most important question. Let's see next question. Poetry is more philosophical than history. but is more effective than philosophy. So what was the poetry? So poetry would be the answer. Blank is more philosophical than history means poetry is more philosophical history. Let's see next question. Sydney thought poet is blank. So Sydney thought poet is a moral character. This is most important question. Question can be asked like this. Who thought poet is a moral teacher? Then your answer would be Sydney. Let's see next question. Question number 14. Blank is the father of English criticism. So Dryden is the father of English criticism, not this question. Okay, not this question. Who was the father of criticism? Dryden. Next question. Ruskin, John Ruskin believed in blank. So John Ruskin believed in art for God's sake. John Ruskin believed in arts for God's sake. Most important question. 16 question number. The great writer of War and Peace. Who was the great writer of War and Peace? So the correct answer is Tolstoy. Let's see next question. Who is the author of Theory of Literature? Most important question. Who is the author of Theory of Literature? So the correct answer is Rene Wallach and Austin Warren. So Rene Wallach and Austin Warren are the author of Theory of Literature. Next question. Who is the author of Tristram Shandy? This is Tristram Shandy is a novel. So question can be asked like that. What is the form of Tristram Shandy? So it is novel and it is the author of this novel is Stern. Stern is the author of this novel. Let's see unit number 3. Most important question. The word. Which word? The word aesthetic derived from which word? So Greek word aestheta, which means what? Which means things perceptible by the sense. This is most important question. Let's see next question. There are two types of schools of thought holding to opposite views about literature. So which are they? The athletes who believe in arts for art's sake. Then second one is the group of critics and writers believe in arts for life shakes. Okay, arts for art shakes and arts for life shakes. So there are two type of opposite views in different schools. Next question. Aestheticism flourished in where? So flourished in France. Next question. Blank. The great exponent of the theory. So the answer is Flaubert. Flaubert was the great exponent of the theory, which is remarked for no great poet has ever drawn conclusion. Next question. Relying cry of aestheticism become the phrase. So the answer is I. Art for I. Art means art for art's sakes. Okay. Next question. Aline Sholter's A Literature of Their Own, which describe three stages in the history of women's literature. So Aline Sholter's A Literature of Their Own, okay, which describes three stages in the history of the woman literature. Next question. 20th century feminist writer who are considered as a 20th century feminist writer. This is most important question. So answer, there would be in option these are the name of the feminist writer. Okay, so among this you have to clarify, you have to prepare that these are the writers who belong feminist writers of 20th century. Juliet Michelle Woodbever, Kate Millett, Louise Irigaray, Helen Sixox, Pauline Johnson, Crotty Patman. So these are the name of 20th century feminist writer. Most important question. The aestheticism, a literary and which type of movement? So it was artistic movement. Next question. Who is considered to be the great exponent of aestheticism in England? Remember the question. Considered great exponent of aestheticism and in England. So it is Walter Peter. Okay, let's see next question. Main athlete in England. Who is considered as main athletes in England? So Walter Peter, Oscar Wilde, Rossetti, Maurice Swinburne, Y.B. Yeats, T.S. Eliot, and T.E. Hume. So these are the writers who has been considered as a main athlete in England. Next question. Aesthetic. Aesthet. The term modernism. The term modernism refers to the literature and general culture of the early 20th century. The term, which term? Modernism. Okay. Next question. Modernism started at the turn of the which century? So turn of the 20th century. Next question. The theory of avant-garde, which is Peter Berger's classical text. Okay. Let's see next question. The Wasteland is written by T.S. Eliot. The Poetics of Modernism is written by Raymond William. It is book. Okay, and this is most important question. The Wasteland by T.S. Eliot, The Politics of Modernism by Raymond William. Let's see the MCQs. Ulysses is written by James Joyce. Blank donates the theory of the fine arts or the science of the beautiful. It is aesthetics donate. Okay, denotes. Aesthetics denotes the theory of fine arts or the science of the beautiful. Next question. The wasteland is usually taken as a model of modernism because the wasteland is totally based on modernist ideas. Okay, let's see next chapter of the same subject. Unit for Philip Sidney. So Philip Sidney was born on 13th November 1554 and he wrote Apology for Poetry, which is published in 1595. Inspired to write this essay by Stephen Gison's attempt on poetry in his essay School of Abuse. Okay, so remember these things which I would highlight. Okay. Definition of poetry. Definition of poetry is also written by Philip Sidney. A poet is a maker and poetry is the art of representation. Next, Ben Jonson. Questions can be asked like when was Ben Jonson born? So 11 June 1572. Belonged to the Elizabethan age. This is most important question. Which age Ben Jonson belongs? So Elizabethan age. Okay, next question. Ben Jonson dwell means stay on Greek principle, nothing too much. Okay, next acquaintance, that is John Dryden. John Dryden was born on 19th August 1631. He say, delight is the chief of not the only end of poetry, function of poetry. Who says delight is the chief of not the only end of poetry? So the answer would be John Dryden. A father of comparative method of criticism. Who is considered as a father of comparative method of criticism? आ रही थी क्वेश्चन पूछा है तो the answer would be John Dryden. Next, Alexander Pope was born on 19th May 1688. Pope's essay on criticism accord with L. Art and Poetic of Bialik. Okay. Famous trio of the unities, action, time and place. Time, action and place, whatever it is. So it is trio unities, which is given by Alexander Pope. Let's see next question. Dr. Samuel Johnson, born 18 September 1709 in Rambler 208, he says, criticism, in my opinion, is only to be ranked among the subordinate and instrumental arts. Okay, who says in Rambler 108, he says, he means Dr. Samuel Johnson says. Modern criticism starts with Dr. Johnson. Okay, then Rene Bellec's Monument, History of Modern Criticism, in 8 volumes, begin with also Johnson. Great work in criticism of Dr. Johnson is Lives of the Poets. Next question. Preface to Shakespeare is the first work in extended in criticism, okay, which is written by Dr. Samuel Johnson. Preface to Shakespeare. Next, William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth was on 7th April 1770. Preface to Lyrical Ballads is written by વિલિયમ વર્ડસવર્થે લખેલું છે અને એ 1798માં પબ્લિશ થયેલ છે. વિલિયમ વર્ડસવર્થની પ્રિફેસ ટુ લિરિકલ બેલાડ્સ heralded the birth of romanticism in English poetry. આ પણ મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન છે. He defined પોએટ્રીને કેવી રીતે ડિફાઇન કરે છે? As a spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings which takes origin from the emotions recollected in tranquility. So this is all about William Wordsworth. Next, S.T. Coleridge was born on 21st October 1772. He was biographic literaria. S.T. Coleridge had distinguished between fancy and imagination. Fancy and imagination વચ્ચે S.T. Coleridge differences બતાવ્યા છે. Okay. Next question જોઈશું. પીબી શૈલીનો જન્મ 4 ઓગસ્ટ 1792માં થયો હતો. He was inspired to write Defense of Poetry by Thomas Love Peacock's attack on poetry. Okay, how inspired to write Defense of Poetry by Thomas Love Peacock's attack? He is a teacher of religion and profit. Okay, so who was a teacher of religion and profit? So the answer would be P.B. Shelley. Matthew Arnold, born on 24th December 1822. Literature is a criticism of life. He defined literature as a criticism of life. Who defined? Matthew Arnold. Culture and anarchy also term is given by Matthew Arnold. Next, Walter Peter, 4th August 1839. Ornament is the trick of style is written by Walter Peter. Next, T.S. Eliot, born on 26 September 1888. He belongs 17th century. Was the most dominating man of letters of 20th century. His essays like Tradition and Individuality and written by T.S. Eliot. Like this question can be asked. Poetry and drama, the function of criticism, the English metaphysical poets. So these are the essays which is written by T.S. Eliot. The phrase objective correlative was first used by Eliot, okay, in his essay on Hamlet. Next, he defined objective correlative as set of objects, a situation, a chain of events which shall be the formula for the poet. Then dissociation of sensibility, also written by T.S. Eliot. Next, I.A. Richards, born on 26 February 1830. According to Richards, 4 kinds of meaning are sense, feeling, tone, and intention. Sense, feeling, tone, and intention. Okay. Next, a pseudo statement is form of words which is justified entirely by its effect in releasing or organizing our impulses and attitudes. So this is all about I.A. Richards. Next, F.R. Lewis, born on 14th July 1895. Scrutiny Journal that reigned for 21 years from 1932 to 1953. First book, New Bearing in English Poetry, in 1932 during Victorian age. Next question. Second book, Revolutions, published in 1936. The Great Tradition, most important question, published in 1948 by F.R. Lewis. Next, The Function of Criticism also is a collection of essay. Literary Criticism and Philosophy, it is also by F.R. Lewis, published on 1937. Matthew Arnold was the most favorite poet of F.R. Lewis. Okay, who was the most favorite poet of F.R. Lewis? So, Matthew Arnold. Let's see next question. Aristotle has defined the difference between poetry and poets. Who has defined the difference between poetry and poets? So, Aristotle. Who said the perfection of style is to be clear without being married? So, it is said by Aristotle. Next, how did Stephen Gisons condemn poets? So, by caterpillars of commonwealth. Next question. What does Ben Jonson dwell on? So it is he was dwell on Greek principles, nothing too much. Who can be the best judge of the poet according to Ben Jonson? The best poet. This is most important question. What is the function of poetry according to Dryden? This is also most important question. Delight is the chief, is not the only end of poetry. Okay, it is the function of poetry according to Dryden. Who is regarded as the father of competitive method of criticism? So it is John Dryden. What does Pope's essay on criticism accord with? So it is accord with Billions Art Poetic. This is the repeated questions also we have studied before that. What is the best critical work of Leaves of Poets? So which is the work? So Dr. Johnson's best work, critical work. What is Boswell's opinion of Leaves of Poets? So the richest, the most beautiful. When was preface to Lyrical Ballads published? This is most important question. When was preface to Lyrical Ballads published? It is on 1798. So Lyrical Ballad published in 1798. How does Matthew Arnold define poetry? So poetry is as a criticism of life. Next, which is famous theory of evolution given by Arnold? So it is of the touchstone theory, which is evolution of Arnold. Who was the most favorite poet to F.R. Lewis? So the answer is Matthew Arnold is the most favorite poet, as we seen before that. How modernism in poetry distinguished? So it is pluralistic complexity. Okay. How modernism is poetry distinguished? So it is pluralistic complexity. Next, who was the English writers influenced by symbolism? So English writer influenced by symbolism was T.S. Eliot. Next question, what is the sign constituted by? So the sign constituted by the simplifier, the signified, the signifier and the signified. Next question, when did structuralism flourish? Structuralism flourished in 1950s. Next question, who is the main athlete in England? So he was W.B. Yeats. Who is considered to be the greatest exponent of aestheticism in England? So Walter Pater. Most important question. Next question, who was the feminist writer of 20th century? Juliet Michel. Already we have studied, we have seen before that. How does I.A. Richards define a poem? So he defined poem as the experience of right kind of reader. Next question, who believe arts for God's sake? So the correct answer is Ruskin. Okay, next, what did Sidney think of a poet? So Sidney thinks of a poet as a moral teacher. How did the Romans regard a poet? So by words a prophet or a sin. Next question, how old is the concept of art and morality? So as old as poetry. Next question, which words did Winckelmann stress? So sheer love of beauty. Which other arts are related to literature? So painting, music, sculpture, as we seen all of these. Okay, all of these. Who wrote poetic philosophy? Most important question. Empedocles and Gerard Bruno. Who are the Russian philosophers and religious thinker? So the answer is Dostoevsky and Tolstoy. Next question. Who was Lovejoy influenced by? So it is was Freud and Jung. In which poet does we find the expression of Victorian controversy about religion? So in which poet? Tennyson. In which book does Lovejoy trace ideas from the Plato to Shelley? So, in which book? The Great Chain of Being. Next question. What does Taine mean by Millie? So, social and economic climate of particular society, political of particular society, general culture of particular society. So, all of these are the correct answer. Okay. What does Taine mean by race? So, character. What do the objective poets insist upon? Negative capability. What does the work of biographer resembles to? A historian. Next question. Who first used the term biography? Most important question. John Dryden. When did F.R. Lewis born? F.R. Lewis born on 1895. Who wrote poetry and drama? T.S. Eliot. Most important question. Okay, these are the most important question of the subject. Hope you enjoyed in this video and you may have learned a lot in this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe, and other subjects already uploaded. Links are given in the description, so you can check out from them. Learn more, be brighter, and get good marks. Okay, and again, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Okay, bye bye friends.